You can add additional information to showcase your products in the description section. Descriptions are built using element blocks. To add a block, click the plus icon and select the type of block to add. They can be lists, images, tables, text, or even code if desired. After adding a block, you can change its position in your description by dragging and dropping it or by clicking on the block controls and selecting an option. When editing text in a block, highlighting a portion of text displays the formatting bar. Images you've added to Tuplo Studio in the asset window can be incorporated into your descriptions by dragging and dropping them into the description section. Additional entries for summary and shipping notes are also featured in this layout, both of which share a formatting bar below them to modify their text. Changes in your descriptions are not applied until you click Publish. When you modify your descriptions, clicking the preview icon will show a live preview of how those changes will look once published. If you don't want to apply your changes, click the Revert button to return the description to the previous save state. Using these tools, you can craft rich descriptions that encourage customers to purchase your products in Tuplo Studio.